Hi there. Back to this question. We calculated at first the area of this circle that has a radius of 6.5. And let's summarize the steps very quickly. We wrote as in the first step the general formula of finding the area of a full circle, which is pi r squared. Then we substituted the value of r in the general formula, so it's pi times 6.5 to the power of 2. We calculated and then we wrote our answer in terms of pi, which is 42.25 pi, and the measurement unit is centimeter squared because it's the area. And then we substituted pi as 3.14. The numerical value of pi is 3.14 as it is provided for us in the question. So we multiplied and we did put the final answer of the area in term as a final answer. Now I'm gonna carry on with calculating the circumference of a full circle. So circumference for a full circle is equal to, we're going to write the general formula, it's 2 times pi times r. Now we are going to substitute the value of r in the general formula. C is my unknown, is equal to 2 times pi times 6.5. Now 65 times 2, 10, 12, 13, decimal here, place the decimal, write the answer in terms of pi, which is going to be 13 pi, and C is the length of the arc, so it is in centimeter and not centimeter squared. Number 4, we're going to replace pi by its numerical value. So 13 pi's, it means 13 times pi, so 13 times pi is 3.14, and then I'm going to multiply. So 314 times 1, 3, so it's 12, 3 and 1 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 3 is 3, so 2, 8, 9 plus 1 is 10, and 40, so I have a decimal here, 1, 2, so the final answer is 40.82 centimeter. And so the length of the arc in terms of pi is 13 pi centimeter. The length of the arc after I replace the pi with 3.14 is 40.82 centimeter. Thank you for watching.